Hi there, this is Jay and will be your teacher today. In today's lesson, you will learn about e-safety. E-safety means protecting yourself, your information and others when using the internet, social media and school computers. You will be able to identify what is expected here at Haringey Learns in order to be compliant with legislation such as GDPR, but also to keep yourself and other people safe. Now, let's put the seatbelt as we're going to go through the most important points. First, protect your personal information. Do not overshare details about your family, your address, or your daily routine on social media. Remember that anything you post may stay online forever. Next, let's talk about passwords and accounts. Always use strong and unique passwords. A good password should be long, include letters, numbers, and symbols. Never reuse the same password for different accounts. Do not share your password with friends or classmates, even if you trust them. Whenever possible, enable two-factor authentication. You can use apps like Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator to keep your account safe. Also, avoid using Remember Me on school computers or public devices. Be aware of online scams. Phishing emails, fake shopping sites, or job offers can trick you into giving away information. Look for red flags like urgent language and requests, spelling mistakes, and suspicious links. Always check the sender's email address and think twice before clicking. Keep your devices safe and secure. At home, it is important to update your phone, tablet, and computer regularly. Use antivirus or built-in security features. Avoid logging in on unsafe public Wi-Fi unless you are using a secure connection, such as a VPN. When using school computers, always follow the rules. Only use them for learning and study. Do not install unknown software or use unsafe websites. Remember that activity on school computers may be monitored to protect all users. Be mindful of how you use social media. Always ask permission before posting photos or videos of classmates, teachers, or the school. Respect the privacy of others and never share content without consent. Keep your online activity positive and respectful. For online learning, only use the official platforms provided, such as Teams, or any software introduced by your teacher. Again, do not share your login details. And never click unknown links or open suspicious attachments. Another important factor to be aware is that cyberbullying and harassment are never acceptable. If you experience abuse online, or you witness someone getting abused, you must report it immediately. Block anyone who bullies or threatens you. Keep vigilant and treat your classmates and teachers with respect at all times. When it comes to money, always be cautious. Only use official apps and websites for banking and shopping. Check for the padlock symbol in the browser before entering card details. Never share your PIN or passwords. And remember, if an online offer seems too good to be true, be careful. At last, but not at least, look after your well-being. Take regular breaks from screens. Do not let social media or games distract you from your studies. Protect your mental health by staying away from toxic or negative online spaces. If you ever need help, speak to one of our safeguarding officers or to the IT support team. You can also contact the UK Safer Internet Centre or to report scams to Action Fraud. Also, it is important to forward and report suspicious emails to phishing.gov.uk so actions can be taken. Thank you for watching this video. Keep up with the good work. Bye now.